God, right now where you stand. Oh, Lord. Oh, how we love you. Oh, how we love you. That's what he desires to hear from us. And Father, we bless you in this place tonight. Above all else. Oh, Lord.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okpe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. What's up? You're not late to the party. Okay, so guys, this video is in partnership with Julia Hair. Yes, I know I've been bringing you guys hair reviews, but that's because I want you guys to look pink. 2019 is not the year of the script, it's the year of the pink. Buzz. Anyways, yeah, that is why I want you guys to be on fleek. So I'm bringing you guys affordable hair. These hair companies are pretty affordable, so yeah, that is what we have for you today. So the Julia Hair, guys, I'm on a roll. I bleached my hair, dyed it, made it into a wig, customized it, even though I'm not styling it myself because girl, I'm tired. I had to bring on a peng hairstylist, but then you guys know the drill. Like, I'm trying. Yeah, so let me give you guys some information about the hair. So Julia Hair Company is an Aliexpress hair. They have their own website, but then they're also on Aliexpress. So I have the Brazilian straight in 22, 24, 26 and the 20-inch lace frontal. I'm also going to insert clips of how when I bleached it. It's just like going to be a fast forwarded clip of when I bleached it, when I dyed it. I didn't really record about how I made it into a wig because I did that in my last hair review, so you guys check that out. If you want me to do a detailed, like, step-by-step tutorial on how I make my wig, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so, because in Nigeria, to make your wig, at least the last wig, the first hair review I made, that wig cost me 20,000 naira to make, and I'm not ready to be giving anybody 20,000 naira to make a wig for me. So your girl learns how to make her own wig, frontal, like, and I even customized the hell out of it, so there's no time to waste. Okay, so if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that, I will, but now I'm going to insert clips of how the hair came and everything. So yeah, peace out. Go and watch how I bleached it and dyed it. I didn't really do much. I'm going to insert all the information in the description box about the hair, the bleach, the dyes I used. I'm even going to show you guys clips of the dyes I used and everything. I have nothing to fear. Every information is going to be in the description box. This is it. Can you believe I dyed this hair myself? Can you guys believe it? Gosh, Okpa is on a roll. Just look at this. So guys, I'm about to install. This is Bolu. You're looking here. I don't know why all my stylists always look at themselves in the monitor. So yeah, this is Bolu. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle, be a elegance. So she's going to help me. We're already straightening it. I think I want to wear bone straight, but then yeah, she's going to help me install it.
Oh, how we worship. Oh, Lord.
I live. You're the one for me. You're just the very one for me. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. Help me sing, come and sing, yeah. You are the reason I live. Oh, yes. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You are the reason, yes, you are. You are the reason I live. You are. You're the one. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. Why should I be when I'm surrounded by your love? Surrounded by your love. You're everlasting. Why should I care? Why should I care?
So guys, this is the final makeup look. I don't even know how we got here, but I know I wanted something that would match this hair. So yeah, that's where we are right now. I'm going to now style this hair. I think I definitely want it bone straight, at least for now. When I do the update video, I can then coil it, but for this video it's going to be like straight. So yeah, let's do that.
They don't know what you mean to me. What you mean to me. You are saying you are the reason I live. You're the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're the very one for me. You're the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. Why should I be when I have you surrounded by your love? Everlasting love. Tell me why should I care? Why should I care what people say? They don't know. They don't know what you mean to me. What you mean to me.
Anyways, this is the final look, guys. One thing about this hair is like it's super soft right now, but then I had a challenge while I was bleaching it and coloring it. It did shed like quite a bit, so that was the problem I had. But then immediately I was done, and since we've been doing it right now, nope, it's not shedding anymore. I guess it was just the processing that was a bit much on it, because fam, I did it myself. There was no form of professional help or aid in any way. I did it myself. I freestyled. As I was doing it, I was watching Pick Me, watching Sophiology, watching everybody. But then I think I did a pretty good job. So guys, every single detail about this hair is going to be in the description box, plus the dye I used Adore dye. I just can't remember the specific names right now, but then I showed it in the clip I showed earlier. So but then I'm also going to keep it in the description box. My lace is a bit red, not even a bit, my lace is red because when I was doing my coloring job, I did not use brush or anything. I was using my hand. I'm going to try my best to try and remove the redness from my lace. I think that's why it looks like this. Like fam, I poured color on this hair anyhow, any which way. I found that color must color by force, so that's why it has this thing. Guys, don't come for me, please. Anyways, if you like this video and you guys want me to do more of these hair reviews, like I am living. I used all the 3 bundles, by the way. In fact, when I was done, I still had like half a bundle left. I went back into the tracks. I was checking it. I'm like, you cannot stay, I can't use two bundles here. So I made sure I use every single bit. I was checking it everywhere. But then yeah, it's not bad actually. I did a good job, and Bolu did straighten this hair for me and styled it. We styled it together, but then she did most of the job. Thank you, Bolu. I'm going to leave Bolu's Instagram handle. She's a bridal hair stylist and she's pretty bomb. She was the one that did the hair for, I must that tutorial must have gone up, I'm not sure, but then when I did Chioma's makeup, that was Wosila in Skinny Girl in Transit, she was the one that styled her hair. and she did a pretty good job. Anyways, so like I said earlier, this is my Julia hair Brazilian straight in 22, 24 and 26, and a 20-inch frontal. All the links to this exact hair and to their AliExpress page, their website, everything is going to be in the description box. If you have watched this video up to this point and you're not subscribed, I'm judging your whole life and your existence. Please subscribe, help your girl, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and yeah, I shall see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys. Peace, coosies, peace out, everything. Bye. Now let's move to the slow-mo where I slay this hair in movements. Guys, I'm feeling myself like to the maximum point. Yeah. Like it, but anyways, yeah, peace out. Bye.
In you, God, I live, I move, and have my being, God. You're all, you're everything, Jesus. You're all, you're everything, God. When I was lost, you found me. When I was blind, you made me see, God. See, you're the one for me. 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 Say, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You're my provider. You're the one for me. You're my healer.